Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to turn on or off Google location accuracy on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to location. Okay, tap the location. And location, okay, you can see the Google location accuracy and location service section. And the Google location accuracy is on. And to turn off this, you'll have to do is tap the Google location accuracy. And here in Google location accuracy, you can see the switch button on the right side. If Google location accuracy is on. And to turn off this, you'll have to do is tap the switch button on the right side to turn off the Google location accuracy. And to turn on again, you'll have to do is tap the switch button on the right side. And that's it. We have successfully turned on. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off Google location accuracy on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.